If you've been walking on the streets of Wembley in Brent recently, you've probably noticed these brown stains on the pavement, the street furniture, and even the trees. In fact, when you start noticing it, it's hard to stop. It's caused by people chewing and then spitting out a narcotic substance called Paan, which is made up of betel nut, herbs, and tobacco, a practice popular amongst South Asian communities. This is Bhavesh. He's been using Paan for 30 years.
What's the appeal? What effect does it have on you?
Nothing, just to the mind is free.
Calm you down? What do you make of the areas in the borough where users have spat it against bins, up walls?
I put in the bin.
In the bin? And what do you make of those people that do spit it against the wall? What do you make of that? Is it...
No good, bro. No good.
Whilst Bhavesh disposes of it in the bin when he's finished with it, other users aren't so responsible, and it's riling up the locals. Rakesh, who lives in Wembley, told us that he's had enough of the mess left by those who spit it onto the streets.
So the Paan splitting in the London borough or anywhere in the world is creating the damage for the little children, and the disease is coming from the mouth as well. It's huge impact in our community, in our environment.
What do you make of the look of it on the street?
It's disgusting.
But Paan isn't just causing mess on the streets, it's also very harmful to the user's health, as it's been linked to increasing the risk of cancer. Brent Council has made attempts to stop Paan spitting, including painting these signs on the ground to discourage it. But many don't think this has gone far enough, including Liberal Democrat councillor Anton Giorgio, who represents the area.
I think there needs to be a public health approach here because the consequences of spitting and using Paan are huge for users.
His colleague, councillor Paul Lorber, wants the crackdown on Paan to go further. He submitted a petition to the government calling for an outright ban.
I think all sorts of attempts have been made to persuade people to behave responsibly. That hasn't worked. Hopefully the petition will generate a debate, possibly some publicity, possibly some other solutions. But ultimately I think we need to have something that will actually stop the problem.
Labour's councillor Cooper Sheff told us that anyone seen spitting is given a fixed penalty notice, but believes prevention is better than cure. She said, "On a number of occasions we have caught offenders in the act. However, it is difficult to catch everyone. We also strongly believe that communities can help educate people who spit and encourage them to change their behaviour." Grant Williams for MyLondon.